The 2014-2016 Chevy Trax uses a flip-style key fob. Programming these keys yourself, especially when all keys are lost or adding a new one, involves overriding the vehicle's computer to recognize the new key. While professional locksmiths use advanced tools, DIY methods are increasingly accessible using OBD2 scanners and smartphone apps. Note that the success rate for adding a key is higher at 70–80% than when all keys are lost at 40 to 50%. When adding a new key and you have a working key available, start by entering the car with the working key. Next, cycle the ignition to the on position 5 times within 10 seconds without starting the engine. Finally, insert the new key and turn it to on. The car will automatically learn the new key. For all keys lost scenarios, this is more complex and usually requires an OB2 scanner to clear ECU faults. You'll need an OBD2 scanner, a key cutting machine or pre-cut blank key, and a blank key that matches the transponder type for your Chevy Trax. Start by using the OBD2 scanner to clear any ECU faults. Cut a blank key to match your ignition cylinder. Insert the blank key and turn to on 5 times, with each cycle under 5 seconds. Remove the blank key and repeat the process with your new key. Timing is crucial. Each ignition cycle must be completed in under 5 seconds. Be aware that misprogramming can lead to no start conditions, so proceed carefully.